Good morning. Today we're headed to Animal Kingdom. We're gonna hit up the new Avatar area, or semi-new. Thankfully, we have a fast pass to
Flight of Passage.
Because last year we were able to just do the river ride. Anyway, we'll head out to the park now. So I guess we'll see you there.
Disney Time Podcast.
We just got dropped off. Now headed to the park entrance. We're here. Animal Kingdom. And the big hub of Animal Kingdom is the Tree of Life. Right here. Alrighty. So we just had a quick lunch, breakfast, brunch kind of deal over at the Yakiniani Cafe. Now it's time for our fast pass to Expedition Everest. So let's head on over. Where we're headed is over here. Expedition Everest. So there's a train going up right now. There's a show here. I think this is the night show for like lights, and I forget what it's called. Rivers of Light, I think. But that's the night show. Oh, here's a ice cream shop. It's like a truck.
That does sound good.
So we might hit this up later. It's pretty intricate looking ice cream truck. Oh, and a bar. Here we go. Now we're talking. I see all the liquor in the back. And here we are. Entrance to Expedition Everest. So here's just in after checking through Fast Pass. Really cool facade. Oh, that's some old tech. So the loading area is just right here. Hello. Okay, so we just got off our ride over at Expedition Everest. That was fun. I remember I was quite jaded by it by the first time I went on it with Micah back in 2012, but I don't know, I thought it was good fun. And it was cool just being able to go backwards for a part of the ride. We're just gonna head over to Pandora, which is our next fast pass area, or the ride is for Flight of Passage, so we're gonna head over there right now. About to travel billions and billions of light years into the land of Pandora with a mere walk of a bridge. Welcome to Valley of Mo'ara. Alrighty, here we are. Whoa! One of the restaurants here, quick service. Satuli Canteen, I believe. And here they offer the lumpia. They have a lumpia, which is like a pineapple cream cheese lumpia, I believe. Or it's here at Pongo Pongo. That's what I meant. But oddly, or cool enough, we have some really cool mock-up of the Mecca from the movie.
Hey man, let's go! Hey!
Over here though is our fast pass entrance to Flight of Passage. So we're about to hit it up. Here's the entrance to Flight of Passage. Standby right now is 105.
Come on.
In line.
Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen. Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage. Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. First, we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. What? You've all been matched with avatars.
You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Navi. Flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee.
When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward. Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold on to the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold on to the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated and supervise your children.
Yo, so we just got off of Flight of Passage, and that ride was so good.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow. I think this is like the one and only ride really worth riding here at Animal Kingdom. That ride was so awesome. Can't wait to try it again next year with the rest of the guys. So now we got a pretty long break though till our safari fast pass, but we'll probably just find somewhere to chill and maybe have a drink or two.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah. So we're just gonna try and stay in the shade. I guess we'll catch you in the next ride. Hello. So, just have my grog beer here. It's actually pretty good. I like it. So we're here at the Satuli Canteen, I think it's called. Yeah, which is right outside the store and exit for Flight of Passage. So, just wanted to chill here in the building with air conditioning. Might enjoy a beer here or two. So, just chilling. So, we're kind of exploring some of these animal exhibits right now. There's a lizard just kind of hanging out. Supposedly there's tigers up ahead. Hello. Oh, there's Trebo in the other window. Well, let's continue on. Monkey friend. Oh, there's a white one up there too. Oh, another one. All the monkeys have been gathered. Now we're on the bridge for the water rafting ride. You could spray them with this button. You can soak people for your entertainment. Trebo, over here. There you go, bruh. Let's get him. Next target incoming. They have no idea they have been targeted. Trebo, are you ready? Oh yeah. Here they come. Got you! Let's just go into the land before time of Dino Land. Dino-rama. It's like a carnival over here.
I've never been in there.
Do this. This is dope.
Trevor wants to go on this, the primeval whirl. Let's check it out. Whoa. So it seems like the whole premise of this ride is that we have little individual time machines that we get shot back through time. And we spin. We are currently on our way to our fast pass to the Kilimanjaro Safaris.
Just like here on Harambe, which means let's go. Travel everyone, my name is Caitlin and I'll be your safari guide today here at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Just look up to the right hand side on top, but I know there is an okapi. People believe the okapi is related to the zebra because of the stripes in its back. It's actually the only known living relative of the giraffe. And bongos are known as the ghost of the forest as they are very rarely seen. They use their backward-shaped horns to help navigate their way through thick brush. Just like up on the left-hand side over here, the Nile hippopotamus under the water. Hippos are nocturnal animals, so they'll sleep during the day and be most active at night. Hippos sleep under the water and can hold their breath up to 8 minutes at a time. When they move air, their bodies will naturally rise to the surface. Look at the air beneath, and they'll sink back down without ever waking up. The group of hippos is known as a blowers. Up on the left-hand side over here are some Nile crocodiles. Crocodiles can grow as long as a giraffe is tall, but 18 to 20 feet long. And they can also weigh up to about 500 pounds. One of the best views of the savannah right up here. You may notice that the grounds here look really well groomed. It's actually the animals doing, as animals like antelope and wildebeest will trim the grass by eating it. Giraffes will trim the trees by eating the leaves, and elephants will knock the trees over. Oh, look at the giraffe eating. Dang. Look at you, bro. Eat that grass. No, I'm scared. Giraffes, of course, are the tallest animals in the world. They can reach heights of up to 18 to 20 feet tall, and their toes can also reach up to 1.5 feet in length. Helps them reach those really high up tree branches. Lions are nocturnal animals, so they'll sleep for up to 20 hours a day and will do their hunting at night. The lionesses and the pride will do the hunting, whereas the males will stay behind to protect the pride and the cubs. And during the day, lions can see just as well as we can, but at night they can see 6 times better. And the padded paws that lions have on their feet help them stalk their prey silently, making their hunts more successful. Oh, look at this beautiful. The lion's mane will get darker and darker the older he gets. Fully grown, that mane can weigh up to 80 pounds. Oh, this would 80 pounds straight on your neck.
Hello. So we just got off the safari. Unfortunately, there wasn't a whole lot happening. Not many animals were out and about. We did see some though. No elephants, unfortunately though.
We did see lions, which is rare.
Yeah, lions were just napping on their rock. There was 3 of them, 2 females and a male. But yeah, they were just chilling because they're more active at night, which is like right now. But anyway, we got about an hour till our actual reservation at Sanaa. So we're pretty much headed out to the buses and then we'll take a bus over to Animal Lodge and then we'll have dinner there. Well, I guess we'll see you at the restaurant. Hello. So we're at the bus stop just outside the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Waiting for a bus to get back to Animal Kingdom and then from there back to the hotel. Last day
Don't
is
say that.
tomorrow, day 9.
Man.
We're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow.
End it with the happiest place on earth.
Yes. I guess until tomorrow. We'll see you later.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our YouTube video and for watching this latest video. Please click on either of the videos on the either side here, and also please subscribe to our channel. Go to disneytimepodcast.com where we have our podcast as well as some more of the vlog videos, and we also have our Instagram account linked there. So check it out. Thanks.